Uses of NFTs. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, have gained significant attention over the past few years, becoming a buzzword in various media outlets. Companies have been using the term NFT indiscriminately to boost corporate value and promote products. However, few people truly understand what NFTs are, or what functions they can perform. Initially, the mere mention of NFTs sparked excitement, but today, the term is more often associated with speculation and fraud among the public. Ethereum operates with standard rules known as ERC. Well-known coins, which are technically tokens, adhere to the ERC-20 standard. NFTs, on the other hand, primarily follow the ERC-721 standard, along with derivatives like ERC-1155. The most notable feature of NFTs is that each token has an owner recorded. For example, with the popular ERC-20 token Tether USDT, there is no distinction between my USDT and someone else's used, they are identical. However, if USDT were issued as an NFT, my USDT and someone else's USDT would be different, as the issuer and owner would be recorded. Due to this distinctive feature, there has been a strong movement over the past few years to use NFTs for ownership certification. This is prominently seen in the promotion of artworks issued as NFTs to certify ownership. Some celebrities have spent significant amounts of money to purchase incomprehensible NFT images. However, whether these NFTs have retained their value is questionable. NFTs essentially record data on the blockchain while simultaneously storing information about whose data it is. The crucial elements here are the act of recording the data and attaching a label of ownership. People are captivated by the ability to store ownership, although technically, recording ownership is not a difficult task. Despite multiple mentions, Ethereum-based NFTs are essentially meaningless. Due to Ethereum's limited capacity, the amount of data that can be stored on the blockchain is restricted. Most Ethereum-based NFTs to date do not actually record the data itself. They typically record a statement like the owner of that image. Is SASEUL. This is a technical limitation, providing no real benefit, as the content of the domain can be modified at any time. To prove ownership of an image with an NFT, the original image must be stored alongside it. However, major NFT markets like OpenSea trade NFTs as URLs. There is no guarantee that the content of these URLs cannot be tampered with. Blockchain is known for its ability to prevent hacking and tampering. If trust in the issuing institution and the person issuing the NFT ensures the content of the URL won't change, one might question the necessity of blockchain technology. SASEUL views NFTs as a data storage technology. To ensure data remains unaltered, it must be stored within the blockchain. If one wants to create NFTs for images, media, music, contracts, etc., all data must be stored within the blockchain. For instance, a 1 GB video must be fully stored in the blockchain to be issued as an NFT. If this is not feasible, NFTs remain a theoretical concept, not practical in real life. Currently, SASEUL's NFTs are designed to store original data within the blockchain. Images, media, music, and other files are converted to base 64 and stored in the blockchain. Nodes holding blockchain data can verify the original data and its owner, even without an internet connection. In this sense, NFTs resemble a blockchain cloud service. Traditional cloud services store our files in a specific company's database. For example, Apple's iCloud stores all user information and allows easy access through user authentication. Similarly, NFTs allow users to freely store their files and user environment information in the blockchain database. This stored information does not belong to a specific company. Preventing issues like data breaches and tampering is also prevented. At first glance, blockchain-based NFTs seem like a new, perfect form of cloud storage. However, there are clear drawbacks. First, the performance of the blockchain must be high. If uploading data is as slow as the old modem days, no one will use it. Also, the cost of data storage must be considered. In blockchain, data storage is also a transaction, and if fees are high, like Ethereum's gas fees, it becomes impractical. Lastly, there is the inefficiency of storage space. Blockchain requires all nodes to have the same data, meaning that as more nodes participate, the number of data copies increases accordingly. This is highly inefficient on a global scale, and will burden the entire network over time. If these issues are not resolved, NFTs remain a half-baked technology. Many people ask, what can you do with NFTs? Currently, NFTs are just a tool for speculation and have no practical use. The lack of utility is because the technology is incomplete and solving. This is what we call technological advancement. Storing URLs and selling bizarre images, as if they have value, is not considered technology. Additionally, promoting NFTs with benefits upon purchase is merely using NFTs as a sales tool, lacking any technological value. Once again, compromise is not progress. Do not assign grand meanings to the act of storing URLs due to limited block storage space. SASEUL may have low recognition and inconvenient use. This is especially true for those accustomed to the rapid services of centralized servers. However, rest assured, even with its uncompromising stance, SASEUL already possesses the most unique technology in the world.
Every time I train myself because of you. If you wanna be in my way 'cause of me, the stars were shining to me away, whispering, I want you to know you're my world. Every time I'm crazy, it's because of you. If you're looking right in me because of love, to me it's a pretty wonderland. Do not make me cry again. I need you right now. I'm gonna be fine. You left me alone. Can I heal the wounds? Every time I train myself because of you. If you wanna be in my way 'cause of me, the stars were shining to me away, whispering, I want you to know you're my world. Every time I'm crazy, it's because of you. If you're looking right in me because of love, to me it's a pretty wonderland. Do not make me cry again. I need you right now. I'm gonna be fine. You left me alone.